Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about the basic concepts related to circles. The first term is a chord, C-H-O-R-D, chord. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Here you can see a circle. The points P and Q are joining a line inside a circle and dividing a circle into two segments. It is known as a chord. Next is diameter. A chord which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. A diameter is also known as a chord. It is the largest chord of a circle. A diameter AB you can see here passing from the center. This is a diameter. A line AB passing from the center. This is diameter. Next is circumference. The length of the complete circle is called its circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Arc. A piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Here you can see the distance, the length from P and Q. This is known as an arc of a circle. Next is major arc and minor arc. The smaller arc is known as minor arc. The length of the boundary of the circle from P to Q, the smaller length is known as minor arc, and the longer one, if we move from PRQ this side, this is the longer arc which is known as major arc. Semicircle. A diameter of a circle divides the circle into two equal parts. As you know that a diameter of a circle divides it into two equal parts. Each part of the circle is called a semicircle. Next is segment. The region between a chord and either of its arcs is called a segment. Here you can see the line AB is a chord, and as I told you, chord divides a circle into two segments. The smaller segment is known as minor segment and bigger segment is known as major segment of the circle. Next topic is sector. The region between an arc and two radii. Radii, RADII, is the plural of the term radius. Singular is radius and plural is radii. So we are talking about two radius. That's why we are using the term radii. Here you can see OA and OB. These are two radius. And from A to B, this is an arc. So the region inside two radii and an arc is known as a sector. So this smaller region inside two radii is known as minor sector, and the red part which is shaded is a bigger region, a larger region inside a circle formed by two radii. So that region is known as major sector. Let's see theorem number 1, which is related to the basic concepts. The theorem is equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords. Suppose chord AB and CD in the circle with center O are equal to each other. We have to prove that if the chords are equal, then they subtend, means they make equal angles at the center. It means we have to prove that angle AOB and angle COD are equal to each other. What is given? AB and CD are two equal chords, making centers angles as AOB and COD. We have to prove that the angles are equal to each other. AOB and COD, these two angles are equal to each other. We will take these two triangles. We will prove these two triangles congruent. One is OA radius, OC radius. AB and CD chords are already given equal in both the triangles. OB equals to OD radii. Therefore, by side criteria, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, and we know by the property of congruency of triangles, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are always equal to each other. So angle AOB and angle COD will be equals to each other by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Thank you.